Hi all, my name is Ankush Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is an announcement and soon I'm going to start with the Tableau project. This is a kind of real world project and I'll start with the healthcare industry, one of the like challenging and one of the booming kind of industry. So we have the data, we have the requirement, each and everything we have there and I would like to show you how can be the like create the KPIs and how can be the like gather the requirement from the client side. I'll tell you each and everything on the step by steps. So we have the five dashboard. This is from the healthcare sector. So in five dashboard, end of the dashboard will merge all the five into one Tableau dashboard. Will give the kind of the link button where as per the requirement the end user, the stakeholder can uh, jump there any dashboard as per the requirement. Okay, so we'll start with the patient length dashboard. Okay, so we have the KPIs, what is the length of days he stays, and we have the graphs, and this is uh, the kind of tree map which tells you what is the surgery is going on and what are uh, the disease. Okay, and these are the services, and these are the fully functional dashboard. If you click something, that they will tell you the okay what are the days in stay in the particular uh, disease. Okay. So I said you we have the five dashboards. The mortality is also there, length of stay is there, the three or more is also there. So yes, I'll show you how can we prepare the data if we got the mock-up. So how can we ask the right question from the stakeholders about the KPIs, who is going to see this dashboard? This is my dashboard going to CTO level, or this is going to rep level or the stakeholders level. Okay, we'll ask each question. Okay. So yes, as I said that this is the announcement, and apart from the announcement, this is where it is. Yeah, this is my Tableau public profile. Okay. Yeah, this is my Tableau public profile. And if you're interested to see like how can I create this kind of the dashboard or the visualization in the Tableau public profile, just comment down in my comment section. Definitely I'll show you how can we create this dashboard, where can we find the data. Okay. So I have 53 dashboards available in the Tableau public profile. Okay. So just let me know and maybe you can share a screenshot. I wanted to like a video on that. Definitely I'll create on that. Okay. In next we'll start working on that where it is now. Okay. The healthcare sector. Okay. So we got the data, we got the Excel file, we got the requirement. I'll show you the next video. What is the requirement? What are the KPIs and how can we approach that? Okay, till then, please stay tuned and thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.